asemu. Hey! Chale manta that she buy easy bunny, you know be easy. Hey! Hey! People they talk, the way people they talk, you know be easy, you know be easy. You there if I love some na nipa answer she ochina wu a obere bon nipa answer she. I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka Mankind. This be celebrity Jawa. Then this be what? Too Much GH. Tell if you no subscriber, what are the talk you be say? Subscribe to what? Too Much GH. Hey, I say me trim ke cameo. Hey, you know be easy. Oh, be tense. The way me trim ke cameo, they no be easy. Right now we did the street talk. Say they be a make say you can say street talk, you can street talk, you what? Social media. We be there when we go see some posts to be for Twitter. It be about one celebrity be where he did recently na she can't born. Then they bell Fela Makafui. Fela Makafui come post for Twitter. He can't post for Twitter say she put like he can't post on Twitter. Where they can't talk, she can't talk something about hustling and things. And they can't show you what he post for Twitter. You know be me where they can't talk who. If you what she post for Twitter and where me Flambo and they can't talk you, then you go know what she talk. This be what she talk and they can't talk you right now. Spy. She said, my brother hustle, make you no go shout vanity upon vanity for person mansion. You see what she rap? She rap now, hey, you know, reach 30 seconds. In first when they follow, I'm telling them, they give them back to back slaps, insult back to back. They say, you, that time you there alone, we they see you. That time you the hustle. The time you there alone, we they see you. You know the hustle. You just did and just the galaband and things. Right now, go find mercy upon you where you give you medical. Where medical, they shower your money upon you. Are you? They can't talk, say, make people hustle. They say, you know the hustle where people they hustle. Plenty people poor and fucking. No be easy. The street up can't jump. When me Flambo, I no can't talk. I'm a can be anchored. Me and I'm a bed. I'm a can. Hey, you go for wolf. They say, oh, fear. They say, oh, why then? They say, why you nipa? Oba when you basa say atabimo. I say, hey Charlie, people they talk. Oh, hey, the way they diss the girl, then you know be easy. They forget some say she born. Omo yano pack. Omo she share yano. The yano Charlie, I say a block sanka a bear 4 call and a bear 5 call. They see how they yano them. You show so Messi mansion. I say you man go phone Congo kasabe brion. Hey, then diss the girl brutal. Hey, then diss some. Charlie no be easy. The way they diss some the cry. Charlie mina. She say, ah, this life inside. You know balance. This word is a no balance. Cry. Oh, this thing can be something where you go motivate you, then you go hustle, then things, then maybe your dream, then things go come true. I say, oh, must have your call. Only man. The way we do hustle back to back. Somebody say you hustle back to back. You go spy in Susu box inside that. Once see this have no the in bank account, then give a message, say, make you can't close the account. He bail the account for nothing. Make you can't close the account. Hey! It no be easy, Charlie. So Fela Makafui, this thing it be something, but you know say the fans they follow you. Ah, fans they talk. This be what it happen. Another thing where you can the street talk. Where we say, yes, Steve, Kofi Kinata. We are, you know, where you say they deserve the artist of the year with the sweat. You do one track. Ghanaians say you do one track very hit. Where you the one artist of the year. They say they know you do one like that too. See, Spice Sarkodie where you do plenty tracks. Sarkodie know the chop stuff. They talk say make Sarkodie can chop her. Tracy so catch Sarkodie so many di cry and many. Now you can't do what cry. You can't do one song where ten fall apart where you hate now. You don't want our Ghanaian station they do that thing. Work hard, give us it. You give us set upon head then things are. You go spy inside and we go vote give you. You go Angel FM. Yes, Steve. When they interview him say, if you the interview him say, if you then delay the room inside, what you go do? Hey, the boy answer smart way. He thought say, he then delay the room and you will go find touch. Mo go spy the interview. Mo go spy. What he talk?
Kofi Kinata, I want the delay was a dem. Why my light off? Why can we be no quitting Abasembesi?
Most of touch it, I should get you. Most of touch the union, I should get you.
Man, you funny. But I say,
you see what he talk? He say you go find touch. You go find touch, then you go search for the gate in more for no, then you belly the door, then you go. If you guys say you fool. So what did they want try to talk delay? If they want try to talk delay, say delay no the be or delay in body you know the attractive. Kofi Kinata they talk. Kofi Kinata they talk. Hey, the way he talk, you know the tell like they swerve delay or delay no be some woman be way they like or some shit be or Kofi Kinata pa. And the way you talk, it be our big time. What? It be our big time. The whole delay. The way people they search this woman. The way people don't do one things. Bedroom things where people won't do. And when you Kofi Kinata, then you get this platform and see what they can talk. He say you go run left delay. Oh delay. Then you pay the bed top. Bed the bed top. Then Charlie, you now go search people them and you them talk. That do what Kofi Kinata talk. Then find the talk Kofi Kinata. Find the talk say you Kofi Kinata. You Kofi Kinata. What you go for? You know go do anything. That's why you go do that for that interview for them. You Agasa, you be Pharaoh boy. You get delay power. You forgive them the agreement. Forgive them make you feel say you be Kofi Kinata. You be tired boy. You just go do join them. Maybe delay see crime. Maybe you want to give you a. You know go take give you because of the yawa where you go talk for them. I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka Mankind. Tell all you for do be say make your heart be clean. Clean heart be the answer. Make you no listen to no bro. Some people there and they want to attach that put your name top. Make you no listen to those people. Make sure so you go stay focused there. Everything there you go do there. You go put yourself first. That's what I want to talk to you. Stay blessed.
The major prophet kum chacha. On say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH. On say me kan ye nyane bone pa na kase pe wo wiase ya asondin. Asondin ti na Adam wo hu nyame yenu monyam no. Wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ni ade. Cat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na why subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma pe a wo pe ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ewura